You are invited to attend Behind the Cycle Analysis Curtain. You'll get a view of my approach to analysis of the futures and index markets. This is on this Tuesday, July 30th, 2024. This workshop will take you through my analysis, the thought process that I put through all of this style of analysis, and give you lessons on cycle analysis, on grains, softs, crypto, interest rates, treasuries, currencies, metals, energies, stock market indexes, VIX. I'm going to go through weekly, daily charts, over 50 charts, and walk you through my whole thought process, walk you through how I do the analysis that brings the great results that you have seen. Write Matt at AskSlim.com and you're going to get the special links, and he'll send you the pricing for this workshop. Don't waste time. Don't miss this. This is a fantastic way to learn our style of analysis and a broad look at technical analysis of the financial markets.